Well, hi. Imagine running a race for a trophy that fades, gathers dust, and is forgotten. Now, imagine running for a prize that never fades, a reward that lasts forever. What are you running toward today? Is it something that will matter in 10 years from now or 10,000 years? Let's talk about living for what truly matters. That is, let's focus on forever. My topic today is focus on forever. This is an eternal rewards in a temporary world. Now let's look at Apostle Paul. He compares our lives to running a race, but it's a special kind of race, not one for fleeting fame or temporary victories, but a race for an eternal crown. It's a call to live intentionally with purpose and with our eyes set on heaven. 1 Corinthians 9:25 reminds us of this truth. So, how do we run this race of life? Here is where our focus should be. Point number 1, run with purpose. First, run with purpose, according to James 1:12, says, "Blessed is the one who persevere under trial, because having stood the test, that person will perceive the crown of life." Running with purpose means making choices that align with God's kingdom, even when it's hard. It's about asking, how does this decision bring me closer to Christ? Every steps count. Point number 2, focus on eternal prize. Keep your focus on the prize. Peter captured this beautifully when he said, "And when the chief shepherd appears, you will receive the unfading crown of glory." That's 1 Peter 5:4. When we understand what's at stake, every setback becomes an opportunity to grow stronger because we know what we're running for. That leads us to point number 3. Keep going with Christ's strength. Keep going with Christ's strength. According to Revelation 2:10 reminds us, "Be faithful even to the point of death, and I will give you life as your victory's crown." The truth is, you might grow weary, you might stumble, but remember, you are not running alone. Lean on Christ, the source of your strength, because He's running right beside you. The eternal crown isn't won in our own power. It's won through Christ, leading and sustaining every step of the way. Your life is a race with a purpose, with eternal significance. Are you running it in a way that counts forever? Let me tell you something. Start today. Fix your eyes on Jesus and live every moment with eternity in mind, or some people say with an eternal perspective. Run with purpose, focus on forever, find your strength in Christ. If this message resonates with you, hit that like button, share it, or tag someone who needs this encouragement. And remember, you are not running this race alone. God is right there with you, cheering on you. Thank you, and take blessings.